From conversations we've been having on campus, it's obvious that a lot of you don't realise the different streams of accounting that you can actually work in. So, we're bringing you out to meet graduates of the Chartered Accountants program.
Hi, how are you?
Natalie, hello.
I finished my Chartered Accountants program in December last year. I'm now a senior tax consultant, do tax advice and then also compliance, and then I assist the other divisions with whatever tax assignments they need, mixed with then training the junior staff.
Natalie, tax is a huge area of accounting, isn't it?
You're right, there's so many areas of tax when you hear that word. Income tax, which is what most individuals are aware of when you've got to lodge your tax return, goods and services tax, fringe benefit tax, capital gains tax, and then state taxes, stamp duty, international tax issues such as transfer pricing. We look at expatriate tax and some other foreign tax issues as well.
Everyone has to pay taxes, right? Certainly every business.
Correct. And we look at not just then compliance work, we also look at tax planning. Do they want to then restructure the way they operate their business? So we give a tax advice for the most tax effective methods there. There's always legislation changes as well. So then they always need to come for advice for that.
What are the common misconceptions about tax?
Maybe that we're boring, no personality, but I like to think that I have a bit of a personality.
What is your absolute favourite thing about working in tax?
There's such a huge range of tax areas, so there is always something for us to do.
And be honest, what is the worst thing about working in tax?
Well, tax can be quite grey, the legislation, so sometimes it's not really quite clear cut. So sometimes you're sitting at your desk going, oh, I'm not quite sure which angle, but then you have to work through cases.
What are the skills that students need to develop to be successful in tax?
Well, tax involves a lot of research, so you probably need to have good attention to detail and be quite methodical.
And if people are watching this and they think tax could be a good fit for me, what would be your advice to them about preparing for a career in tax?
Work experience, I think, is one of the best ways because then you get an idea practically of what it's like.
Natalie, you have been working in the commercial world now for a few years. From your observations, what are the keys to success?
For me, one of the major things is having the right attitude and a willingness to learn.
And in terms of your career, are you guiding it in a particular direction?
Hopefully up. I hope to move up the corporate ladder, I guess. I've been working since I was 18, so I think I'm quite driven and I guess maybe further study.
How important is that lifelong learning?
It's very important. Legislation is always changing. There's always a new case that has happened.
Natalie, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Very excited. I think I might go and retrain and come and join you.
Oh, good luck.
Right.
Hope you do.
Thank you very much.